Hello, my name is Joy. Have you heard of our digital skills scholarship training on website design and digital marketing SEO?
My name is Gift Abu.
Najib Abdul Salam.
My name is Deborah.
My name is Godwin Olukunle Agbeni.
My name is Okoronko Somtochku Samuel, one of the beneficiaries of Bizmarrow scholarship for digital marketing.
Hi, I'm Grace Elijah.
I'm Willie Anita by name.
My name is Faith Onome Wilkinson.
My name is Omesu Chima.
My name is Aini Oluwamayawa.
It's been very beautiful. All this while I've been doing computer trainings and haven't really been able to absorb it. So somehow when I got to Bizmarrow, the practical hands-on trainings were like something out of this world. And so when we started, in just a few days, I was able to catch up things I had tried for months to catch up. So it's been very well.
It's been interesting. I've learned a lot, especially on web development. It met my expectations. I now know basically how to create a website, how to design it, how to put in my catalog and all that. And on the design side, I also know part of Canva.
Before coming here, I had no experience in WordPress and no business idea. But within these 3 weeks, I've been able to develop myself, and I can say that I'm proud to be a WordPress designer.
My experience here has been nothing short of amazing. We've learned web design using WordPress and graphic design using Canva. I do hope to become a graphic designer and start making money from my experience here at Bizmarrow Technology.
Experience here so far at Bizmarrow has been good, and what digital marketing is all about, and I'm looking forward to implementing it when I'm done.
Here, I've been able to derive what I wanted. On my own, I try to read and understand, but with my coming here, I've been able to have a first-hand experience of it and hand-on training. And a very much practical thing, which will stick with me for a very long time. I'm okay with it.
My experience so far has been awesome. The environment is conducive. The teachers are well educated and grounded in what they teach. And their follow-up on their students is very nice. So I would say it's amazing in total.
Yeah, Bizmarrow's technologies has been good. I like the way they teach us. Like, it's easy, friendly environment, everything nice, everything good.
The training, I had some limitations in my business marketing, especially in the areas of how to get across to customers through ebook and how to promote my business using website designing. But in the course of this training, I have gotten some exposures that has brightened me up and definitely will help me improving myself in the areas of my business promotion.
I've been able to create websites from the scratch using WordPress, and I've been able to design using Canva, and then I learned about the search engine optimization, how to use it and make my website #1.
Wow, it has really been going great. Though at initial time, it was it's not that really easy, but as time goes on, I was able to adapt, so it has been really wonderful being in Bizmarrow.
To a very large extent, I would say that I'm satisfied.
100% satisfied with the training.
Yes, I'm satisfied.
I am very satisfied with the website design and digital marketing training. I hope to go into freelancing, designing websites for people and flyers, and hopefully doing search engine optimization for different people and companies and organizations.
If you're not here, you're missing out. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, something you don't want to pass on, and I really want you to be here.
I will tell you is that digital skill in today's society is very important, and if you're yet to acquire one or you're looking for a place to acquire one, Bizmarrow technology is a very nice place to get the knowledge and the skill.
I think you should be here if you're interested in learning a digital skill, because here the environment is friendly. They have hand-on practice to teach you, and then they already have this experience. So you are learning from an experienced hand, not from textbook or whatever, but from experience. So you will enjoy it, and then the class is funny and sweet.
This is the right place for them to come, because coming here, you get all what you want.
Isn't this wonderful? What are you waiting for? Visit any of our offices today for registration or call the numbers on your screen. We are in a digital economy. Learn a digital skill today and do not be left behind. We can't wait to have you with us. Bye.